Welcome to the video on data science and law. How does data science and AI change legal practice? This video is the second in the series on A Tale of Three Axes, Law in the Digital Age. A warm welcome back to our esteemed guest, Dr. Bar Simantov, who will take us through the second axis in the relationship between the digital age and the law and explores how does data science and AI change legal practice. As we shall see, the digital age with the development of big data, AI, and data analytics has the potential to transform the legal system and the legal profession. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain how data science and AI can change and disrupt the legal practice. In recent years, we are witnessing a growing recognition of the disruptive potential of data science and AI-based legal technologies and their potential to revolutionize the practice of law. So, Dr. Bar Simantov, what are some examples of these changes?
Well, this includes debates about the potential of these technologies to streamline and improve the operation of legal institutions and promote access to justice. It also includes discussion on how AI, data science, and IT methods can transform the practice of lawmaking, legislative drafting, and the legislative process, the work of courts, the regulation and law enforcement. It also includes debates on how these technologies can transform legal practice and the work of lawyers. In later models, Dr. Ayelet Sela will tell you all about how technology changes the work of courts, and Professor Oren Perez will tell you all about how algorithms transform democracy. So here, let's focus on the example of how AI and machine learning can transform the work of lawyers.
I think that's a great example, but I'm just thinking about how do such technologies even help the work of lawyers?
Well, the legal profession entails reading and analyzing large amounts of text. Some of the analysis is quite sophisticated, but much of it could be relatively mundane and tedious work. Take the classic example of discovery and due diligence. For those of you who had the unfortunate experience of being young associates in private law firms, you may remember the experience of receiving boxes of documents and having to manually read through them to find relevant information. Such labor-intensive legal work is already in the process of disappearing with the use of automatic content analysis tools. Similar tools can also help legal research to identify relevant case law, for example. But data science tools, such as natural language processing, can already do much more. They can review and analyze contracts. They can generate and help draft contracts. There are many legal tech companies offering such services already today. This is another example where technology can already do significant amount of work that was traditionally done manually by lawyers. Existing technologies can also do the more sophisticated task of lawyers, legal prediction. One of the classic roles of lawyers is to predict the outcome of a case, whether in order to more effectively bargain in the shadow of law, or to decide whether to initiate litigation or file an appeal. In the past decade, several studies across various domains have demonstrated that predictive tools using various machine learning methods consistently outperformed legal experts in predicting outcomes of cases. Here too, a growing number of legal tech companies offer such services already. As these examples demonstrate, data science and AI can transform the work of lawyers. The developments would, at the very least, decrease the amount of tedious, simple, and labor-intensive aspects of legal practice. These developments can also increase the ability of lawyers to give accurate predictions, evaluate claims, manage litigation risks, and make more informed decision-making. In theory, if both parties have access to the same data sets and data analysis tools, these could potentially be more, they could potentially increase more predictability and create less litigation.
Well, what does all of this mean for the future of the legal profession? I mean, would lawyers become obsolete like drivers, for example, who are expected to become? Could algorithms replace lawyers altogether? Could clients go see a robo-lawyer instead of a human lawyer? What's your response to that, Dr. Bar Simantov?
Well, my answer is no, at least not in the foreseeable future. Artificial intelligence will substitute some tasks currently done by lawyers. Hence, there may be a reduction in the need of paralegals and for lawyers performing simple tasks. There certainly will be a reduction in billable hours, as tasks that traditionally took days would now take seconds. But at the end of the day, legal advice and sophisticated legal work require the kind of reasoned judgment that, at least in the foreseeable future, call for a human lawyer. In short, the work of lawyers would change, perhaps even be revolutionized, but I don't believe it is going to disappear anytime soon.
Thank you for that answer. That makes me a bit more comfortable. In this video, you have learned about some of the ways that AI and machine learning could transform the practice of law. If you want to gain a more in-depth look at how AI and machine learning transform legal practice and the legal world more broadly, please perform the following task. Read the introduction by Simon Stern to the University of Toronto Law Journal and this special issue on artificial intelligence technology and the law. This one can be found in volume 68, number 1, January 2018. Then choose one of the articles in the special issue to read. After you have completed this deeper exploration, turn to our next video, Data Analytics, Transforming Legal Studies and Research. This video will explore the third axis of the relationship between the digital age and the law, and the ways the digital age is transforming legal research. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.